Hello, this is Bob from Northern Outdoors. As you can see, I'm back out at the property. I'm going to do a little more work on the driveway. And it's cold today. You can see I'm dressed a little warmer. Actually, I think I'm going to put my hat on, my Carhartt hat. It was actually snowing out a little bit, not very much. Right now it's about 39 degrees up here in northern Michigan. And I'm going to show you what I did after I stopped filming on Sunday night, I believe that was, or just before it got dark. Now I did work on its driveway a little more. I was able to dig it down some, a lot of large boulders. You see I did get it leveled a little bit better, but there's still some large rocks right in this area. So it's a good size hump. So I want to take that down at least another 6 or 8 more inches. See some of these large boulders right here. There's one I had dug out. Push some brush back. A couple of large boulders right in here. Definitely a lot of rocks. It takes a lot longer to dig it out, but the tractor does a decent job. This is the largest boulder that I dug out. It's huge. I had to work on it for a while, and by the time I got done, it was getting dark and it was hard to see. Well, since it's getting dark again, because I just got off work a little while ago, I'm going to get the tractor and see what I can do tonight here, or just before dark. Well, let's take a look at what I've done so far. Now it did rain most of the day yesterday, so the ground is a little wet yet. The wind did help dry it out today, but as you can see, I was spinning quite a bit, but I did get some large boulders out. Right here you can see where I was spinning in some of this very soft soil from all that rain. And I still have to get this hump out right here. There's some large rocks right in this area. So it's going to take a little while yet. There's also some large rocks right here, but I don't think I'll have to move them. I just need it right where this pathway is. And of course you saw me dig out that large boulder. And I just pushed it in the woods right here for now. And later I'll push it maybe down further in where the brush is. And someday I think I might make a little loop of a trail coming through here, a small driveway, so you can just make a nice little loop going through, because there's part of a road over here just a little ways. Now I'm seeing some deer tracks in this fresh dirt all over. Well, I think I'll turn the tractor around and I'll see what I can do going the other way with it. Maybe be a little easier. I will find out. The old tractor did decent with this wet ground. I was able to dig out some more rocks. Then I just finished up tonight with some back bleeding just to make it look a little nicer. But it'd be nice to get this one large rock out. Actually, there's a couple right here. It's going to take a lot of work to get them out. And I think there's still one more over here, but I don't really have to take that one out because eventually I'll put some gravel over this. Well, it looks a lot better. I still got some more prep work to do, so you might get 2 or 3 more videos. I should get some gravel put in here. If not this fall, I'll have to do it in the spring. Well, thanks for watching Northern Outdoors.